Hey everyone! Today, we are reviewing microingredients oil of Oregano Softgels, a supplement that has become popular for its immune support, antibacterial properties, and natural defense against colds and infections. We use it consistently to see if it really lives up to the hype. Pros first. Oregano oil is well known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties, and these soft gels make it far easier to take compared to liquid oregano oil, which can burn the throat and taste extremely harsh. The capsules are convenient, easy to swallow, and don't leave an aftertaste. We also notice some minor improvements in seasonal immunity and less sore throat discomfort when taking them regularly. However, the cons are where things get concerning. Oregano oil is very potent, and in soft gel form, it can cause stomach upset or mild cramping if taken on an empty stomach. We also notice occasional headaches and a warm stomach sensation, which some users report as a side effect. Another concern is that there isn't enough large-scale clinical evidence to prove long-term safety for high-dosage oregano oil. Overall, microingredients oil of oregano soft gels can be a helpful natural support if you use them cautiously and only when needed, but taking them daily at high doses may not be worth the risk. We think this product is useful in moderation, but it's definitely not a miracle pill, and you should watch closely for side effects. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.